Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we saw yesterday, Friday was that very serious doji. And what we saw yesterday was the bulls go ahead and follow through and convert the middle band in the 50-day exponential moving average, and even convert that key 1669 to 1670 fib level. They go down. Where's our low of the day? 69. Now we've traded as high as 81 quarter. We're trading 79 quarter right now. I'm expecting a little bit of a push lower off of the open, but as that develops, my feeling is that we continue to be fairly strong up here. Although with the president speaking tonight, there's a chance that we get a little bit of a pullback because I don't expect him to back down on Syria. So, a little bit of a, we get some profit taking off the open. We'll see what kind of a high we get after the profit taking. If after profit taking we can't go up and take out the 81.25, and here's a 5-minute chart. This may be the beginning of the profit taking. If the profit taking comes in and 78 or 76 holds, but if the profit taking pop after the profit taking can't take out 81.25, then I think we see a deeper low, maybe to test 73, into the lunch hour, and we'll have to see where we go from there. But we've had a big run up. We've had 2 days worth of big run-up. From the 38 area, we're now trading, 78. So, 50 to 53 handles from Friday's low. So there's going to be some profit taking here. There was really nothing to stop. As I mentioned it was either in the evening recap or in my subscriber webcast last night. Once we got through 70, there was very little to stop a move to 80. There was just simply no resistance there. If the bulls continue to push higher, then you have to start looking at 1694 half and 1688 as areas of potential resistance. The bears don't take control of the tape again until they trade below and close below the middle band. And that value today is 52.75. So the bears, once again, have put themselves in another pickle. And, let's just zoom out. What are we talking about? We're talking about an uptrend from 1340.75. We did 1685. We did a 38% retracement of that move. We came up and made new highs. We pulled back on that move, not quite 23% of the total move, but pretty close. So we've got one retracement, and then relative to the Bollinger Bands, a much more shallow retracement of the total move. And, there's a lot going on in the world right now, and people are talking about tapering, and people are talking about Syria and all these other things. There really isn't much bearishness going on that chart right now. And that chart tells me that if the bulls continue to push, we could go ahead and do new highs. I mean, that's not a chart that, the bears have had opportunities to roll it over. This, let me zoom in here. The first trip to 70, when that failed, it was an opportunity to roll the chart, and they had rolled it. It had rolled. But the bulls come in like they always do, and they saved it. So as of now, you've got the chart has a very bullish look to it. If the bulls can keep pushing, they can't take days off. The flip side of that is if we're making a lower high relative to 94 half, we come in and start making higher highs, then maybe we start to see some kind of a wedge. That's a much lower percentage play. As long as the bulls can keep 69.70 underneath them, then they can make a run at highs from here. Okay, Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Check out the chat room. I'm so happy to see so many people coming in to check out the chat room, to come and take a trial. It's a great time of year now that the summer is over to come in and see if we can help your trading. So we welcome you to come on in and take a look. We're doing a webinar a week from tomorrow, September 18th, on swing trading. The sign-up link is attached to this post. I hope everybody will sign up and check it out. Even if you can't make it on the actual time, it will be recorded and it'll be emailed to you. So everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with the evening recap tonight and another market webcast tomorrow morning. Check for updates throughout the day on Twitter. Trade them well. I'll see you then.